Imagine standing in your messy kitchen, staring at the chaos of sauce packets on the counter. Your goal? To wipe it clean, but first you need to decide. Do you gather everything up in one sweep, or do you sort through it? Maybe looking for that one Grey Poupon mustard packet. Now, what if a robot could make those decisions for you, sorting what matters and ignoring what doesn't, all based on the task at hand? Meet Clio, a revolutionary new approach developed by MIT engineers that gives robots something we humans rely on every day: intuition. Clio is named after the Greek muse of history, but instead of recalling ancient events, it helps robots focus on the present. With just a simple natural language prompt, Clio allows robots to interpret the world around them with remarkable precision by understanding what details are relevant to the task and ignoring the rest. Picture this. A rescue robot is deployed in a cluttered building. With Clio, the robot can instantly zero in on a first aid kit or a trapped survivor, while ignoring piles of debris or broken furniture. Using cutting-edge computer vision and natural language processing, Clio enables robots to make task-relevant decisions on the fly. In real-time experiments, robots powered by Clio were able to identify objects like dog toys, move stacks of magazines, and complete their missions faster than ever. The secret behind Clio's intelligence? A clever combination of deep learning and a technique from information theory called the information bottleneck. This allows Clio to compress a scene down to only the most relevant parts, like picking out a single green book from a pile or finding a deck of cards in a messy drawer. This level of decision-making isn't just for finding missing keys. Clio could be a game changer in fields like search and rescue, factory work, and even household tasks. Whether it's organizing a cluttered room, navigating disaster zones, or performing intricate tasks on a factory floor, Clio gives robots the ability to understand their environment with human-like efficiency. MIT's Luca Carlone, the mastermind behind Clio, envisions a future where robots equipped with Clio can handle complex, higher-level tasks. Imagine a world where robots not only find survivors in disaster zones, but also restore power or manage entire rescue missions. Clio is the next big leap in robotics, empowering machines to think smartly, act efficiently, and help humans in ways we never thought possible. And this is just the beginning. From cluttered countertops to search and rescue missions, Clio is here to ensure robots make the right choices every time.